Welcome kids, myself Mrs. Netra Kale, your maths teacher from Welkin National School, and we are starting mathematics for standard 2. Students, today we are starting our chapter number 27, a special way to add by carrying over. This is your class test chapter, student. So, look, when we add, you know this how to add. Okay, now look, you can see here there are 8 sticks and 4 sticks. So 8 and 4, you can see 2 columns here, tens columns and units columns. Okay, so now 8 and 4 are units, right? So we write 8 and 4 in units column. So 8 add 4. Okay, so how many? Let's count it together. We know that these are 8 sticks. Now 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now the answer is 12. 8 plus 4 make 12 sticks, right? So what we will do here, we will tie 10 of them in a bundle. You know 1 tens. So that is 10. So we will make group of 10. So when we make a group of 10, it will become, look, 110. This is a one bundle. So this is 110. It means 10. And how many units remain? 2. So the number is 1 and 2, 12. 10 plus 2, 12. Understood, student? Okay. Now look here. Adding 7 and 8. 7 and 8 make how much? 15. So in this 15 there are 110 and 5. Right? So let us make a bundle of 10. So 10 and how much remain? 5 units. So 10 and 5. So what the answer is? 15. So we cannot put a number bigger than 9 in the unit place. Understood, student? We cannot put a number bigger than 9 in unit place. Then that is why we make a bundle of 10 and move it into the tens place here. Units are single items. Units are single items. Look. Now look. Tens and units. Now 9 add 6. When we add 6 into 9, our answer is how much? 15. So 15, but we cannot put 15 here. Okay, we cannot put 15 here. Then what we will do, we will make a 10 together. So bundle of 10. So here 10 means 1 and here 5. So the answer is 15. 110 and 5. Understood? 110 will carry in tens column. Look, 6 plus 5. Now 6 plus 5 what? 6 plus 5 is 11. So again 1 and 1 will carry at 10. So here 1. Now this is about only unit. Single digit number. Addition of single digit number. Now let's do addition of 2-digit number. These are 2-digit number. It means, look, 10 add 14. When we add 14 into 10, look, the group of 10 and the group of 10 and 4. So 14. When we add 14 plus 10, the answer will 24. 2 10 plus 4, 24. Similarly, look, 20, 2 tens and 0 units. It means 20 and 1 10 and 6 units. So 16. When we add both, we will start our addition from unit place. Always remember, you have to start your addition from unit place. Okay, then 0. When we add 6 into 0, the answer should be that number only. Remember, when we add anything in 0, the answer is that number only. So 6 add 0 is 6. And first we will add unit place, then we will add Then we will add 2 plus 1, tens place, 2 plus 1, 3. Understood? So our answer is 3, 6, 36. Again, 36 means 3 tenths and 6 units. Again look, 17 plus 30. First we will start from unit place. So 7 plus 0, 7, and 1 plus 3 is 4. So 4 tenths and 7 units. Understood, students? Now student, look at this example. 14, 110, 4 unit and add 210, 9 unit. So again here we will start from unit place. So when we add 4 and 9, the answer is 13. Okay. And 1 and 2 plus 3. This is right. Yes, but we cannot put 13 in unit place because 13, this is a 2-digit number. It means tens and units. So we cannot put, as I told you earlier, we cannot put a number bigger than 9 in the unit place. Right? Then what we will do now? Look. 9 unit plus 4 unit plus 9 units is 13 unit. And 13 unit is equal to what? 1/10 plus 3 unit. 13 unit means what? 1/10 and 3 unit. Okay. Then here what we will do? Look. We will add 4 plus 9. We know the answer is 13. So in this we will put only 3 here. That is unit place. And tens place we will carry over in tens. Understood? It means we cannot put 13 here. So we will put 3 only here and this one will carry here. So again 2 plus 1 is 3 and this one 2 plus 1 3, add this one 4. So our answer is 43. Understood, students? When adding numbers, first add the numbers in the unit place. Understood? Now look. Let's add this. 110. This is a bundle of 10. So 110 and 2 unit. So 110 and 2 unit, add 1 and 2. 2 tenths. Right? And how many unit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units. Okay. Let's add. Now 2 plus 6. 8. First unit place we will do. Then 8 is here. And 1 plus 2 is 3. So our answer is 38. Look at the next. 1, 2. 2 tenths. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units. So the number is 25. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 tenths. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units. So number is 37. We are adding 25 to 37. Okay, now first we will start unit place. So 7 plus 5, 5 plus 7. Let's count after 5. Count forward by count forward method. 5 plus 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much is the answer? 12. So we will put 2 in the unit place because we cannot put 12 here. Then 1 we have to take in the tens place, means we will carry 1 in the tens place. So let's count now. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 6. So our answer is 62. Understood, student? Student, this is some addition problems that you have to do in your textbook or in notebook. So students, practice it regularly at your home. This chapter is over. Thank you, students.